Hello, hello. Today I just felt like a change of pace and a game that I've played a couple times. I don't think I've ever beaten it actually, but I've played through some of those Papers, Please. This game's a lot old, to be honest, but still a good game, so I'll just start up a save file here and we'll just play through it some. So, yeah, just get right into it. And yeah. So yeah, I'm assuming anyone who really clicks on this video for the most part probably knows about this game, but for those of y'all who don't, the main premise of the entire game is that you're just playing as border inspector or border patrol guard, I think, is the more accurate way to do it. Throughout the game, sometimes you get some options for alternate routes, but in general, all you're doing is just checking to make sure that it's trying to get as many people through as possible, as long as they have the right paperwork. For today, we're just denying all foreigners, so we essentially just want our Stotskins to come in. So I'll just leave that here, and yeah. I shouldn't need this at all, but just in case. Let's see. This person is our Statska, so I just need to get the check mark wherever that is. Here we go. That's what I'm looking for. And there we go. So, if I make a mistake, I'll get fined, but I hopefully shouldn't in the first day, since it's literally just checking for people. This person is from import, not our Statska, so they've been denied. And yeah, I shouldn't need that, and I definitely shouldn't need the handbook. This person getting denied. Yeah, maybe I should put a content warning. I turned off the nudity thing, so there's not going to be any of that, but there might be occasional swearing in here. But yeah. First day is kind of slow for this, and it just becomes more of a speed check. See if I can remember the hotkey for this. I currently have not found it just by clicking on buttons. Yeah, I don't remember the hotkey, so I'm just not going to use it. And yeah, just gotta keep on letting these people in. Currently at 6, so it's pretty good. Bring them in, and call more people. Could have sworn space was the hotkey, but whatever. I can actually just leave it up as long as I don't click on there. Or I guess I have to open it every time I call. And someone comes in. Okay. I don't remember. I think there's a clock in the bottom left. I don't particularly remember when the clock ends. That's good enough. But yeah, for the first day, there's not all that much observation, you know. I think within even just day 2, it becomes a lot more stuff you can do. It's like, other thing I can do, I guess, is just mess with that. But why bother doing that? Clock's flashing, which means, yeah, I'm pretty sure it goes to 6, or maybe 4. Either way, getting 14 should mean a lot of money for the first day, which getting money early is very important for the game. Because in the initial text blurb at the beginning, I don't think they're going to come in. Yeah. In the initial text blurb, it did mention that we're in an 8-class apartment, so it means that there's a lot of things that can happen because you have poor living conditions and all of that. But yeah, okay. Now we're on to day 2, and there's almost certainly going to be some kind of change. Civilian foreigners with a valid password are permitted to enter. Check all passport information carefully for discrepancies. Oh, I think hotkeys might actually be something you have to pay for. Or, like, unlock throughout the game, actually. Inspect mode. So you can highlight discrepant information. For instance, if somebody... I don't think they're having you check for weight, but, like, if somebody... I'm gonna need this, maybe, actually. We will see. Import. Faces look the same. It expires... Alright, it hasn't expired yet, so I think it's fine. The only other thing to check is import to see if that's actually a place in import. It is, so we're fine. And unless I get hit, if I get one wrong, the thing will print out from here when he walks past that. Which I didn't think I would, but always worth it to check. So yeah, this is expired because today's the 24th. And technically, I don't need to even interrogate. I could just deny it and hand it back, I think. But yeah. I doubt that they're going to do anything like putting in the wrong location, but I always figure I should check just to be safe. Integria, Glorian, she looks right. So, off she goes. Okay, Arstatska, East Greston, I think is a valid location. It's not expired. Yeah, she's fine. And... yeah, I'm just going to... Thing is, I really am not confident in how well I remember these things to be able to check, even though they haven't particularly mentioned it. I'm gonna check, I'm gonna question image, even though I'm just gonna deny it anyways. Yeah, there isn't, to be honest, I don't think there's really ever a necessary reason. Orphish event, that is one of them. I will take that, I guess. That's not expired, so off she goes. So, I'm just gonna leave that there. Let's see. I don't even remember where this is from. Republia. Paradisna is not a place. Whoa! We have a jumper. At least. I'm glad I was checking because my gut instinct has been confirmed. And... yeah. So what troubled times Arstatska lives in. This is gonna... I still made a net profit, so I'll take it. And off I go to the next day. Yeah, I forgot I did that this early. Guess I'm gonna have to talk to these guards up here. Or no, they just have more guards. All foreigners require a valid entry ticket. And the entry ticket is going to be... do they show us an example of an entry ticket? They do not. And I don't think they're going to have it in here, are they? Okay, they don't, but I'll have that just to highlight. Even though I shouldn't need that. Entry ticket is valid for today, that's fine. Should check Yurko City and Kolechia, because I hopefully should get these memorized soon. Just, I haven't really had much of a chance to get for back both of those things. Because, yeah, it's West Greston, Yurko City, and Fedor for Kolechia. Let's go to basic rules. I'll ask her even though she... oh, no, there we go, she presented that. It's valid for today, that's fine. Integria, I think, has Glorian, but I'll check real quick. It does, and that's not expired, and she looks like a picture. So she can have both of those back. And let's see. She has an entry ticket. Entry ticket is valid. There's that again. What country is this? Or import. That has that location, and that's not expired, and she looks like the picture, so we're fine. Okay. That's not expired. Neither is this. I think Orvage Venor is... Yeah, that's a wrong area. I'm just gonna click it on this. Whoops. Okay. And I'm gonna go over here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think... I really could have just denied it, I think. I don't know why I keep on checking for discrepancies. It's gonna just slow me down. Valid. One of those. Does Coletia have Vidor in it? Yes, it does, and that's not expired, and I will check this, but... Oh, okay. Just hairstyle, I guess. Okay. Is this... it's not valid. And off she goes. Still have over half the time left, I think. So I should be able to get a good number of people. That's valid. This is expired though. Denied. I don't know, I might have to play just the tough guard that doesn't let anyone through. Oh yeah, I remember this guy. Sorry buddy, you're gonna have to leave. Yeah, this guy is just everyone's favorite character. He's a classic. Ooh, got a Mohawk fella. That's valid, that's not expired. I'm pretty sure Suknito is an import, or Sunkaido. I will check this, but it's going to be, yeah, magic data. I'm pretty sure of that, but no reason to risk it when I don't have to. Okay, let's see. She is from Overstone. That's valid. This isn't expired. She looks like her picture. And, Murderers is a place in there? Okay. Okay. Let's real quick do this. She might have it. She does, it's not expired, neither is this. Karista City, I think is United Fed, yeah. I was pretty sure it was, because I think I've had people from everywhere else and haven't seen it as an option within this book. Okay. This is valid, so is this. Obristan does have Skull, and this isn't expired, so... Yeah, she looks enough like the picture, I think, to be fine. Oh! Oh, that one was a non-matching photo. Yeah, that's why I keep checking these. Sorry, but that is not valid. You can leave. Take that with you. Okay. I have enough time to get in at least one more person after this. East Greston's fine, that's not expired. And she looks like picture. Okay. And I've determined that they are, in the book, they're in alphabetical order. That's not expired, neither is this. Impor does have Haihan, and he looks like his picture. And Nothing in the news. That's valid. So is this. I think that's fake data though. Yeah. For the last person, can technically take as long as you want. But here she goes. And at least I only got one citation or violation because my pay won't get docked. And I made a net of profit of $55. It's all about the grind set, you know? Okay. Let's see what's going on today. Stricter credential requirements are now here. Our stock skins must have ID cards. Foreigners still need entry permits. Or they now need entry permits instead of entry certificates. And I'm going to get a new entry that. For the audio transcript to correlate entrance statements. Okay, nothing new in there. I'm going to real quick scan the documents. That's fine. Entry permits need to have one of those 2 seals. And I also need to make sure information is consistent in documents. Okay. Let's see. This is where I need to hopefully get this stuff memorized soon enough. Visit friends. 14 days. Enter by that date. The date isn't expired. The name looks the same. Code looks the same, so as long as this is one of the 2 valid seals, which, yes it is, and now I've seen both of the seals, so I don't think I'm going to need them anymore. I think Enko is part of Impor. Yes it is. And this is not expired either, and she looks like a person on there, so she is good to go. Okay, next person. And I didn't get a buzzer sound, so I'm fine. Purpose of trip. Visiting friends, that's not, neither of these are expired, 14 days. Everything looks fine on here, seal this. She looks like her picture, that's not expired. Only thing left to check is Republia's places, yeah, it has Lazarandi. Okay, so off she can go. Okay. And she doesn't have an entry permit. Sorry, but no. Yeah. Sometimes that's just what happens to them, I guess. That's the other one. Immigration forever. Ooh. Yikes. Now, here's the real more question. Do I let him through anyways? The answer to that is going to be no, mainly because her excuse is being busy, so... Arstotzka doesn't have time for people who are too busy to immigrate on time. Just the way it is. Ooh. I don't know, I might have to let this person through. You know what? Yeah, she can go through. I have enough free mistakes to be able to allow it. She has been approved. I have to take the citation, that's fine. Let's see. That's a valid one of those. Immigration, that's valid. I'll check on the image, but I think that's him. Yeah, okay. Sven Wagner, that's right. That's alright. And that date hasn't expired yet, neither has this. I'm just gonna go check Integria's locations. Ooh. This guy's a forger. Sorry, friendo. I'll allow people that are struggling but not forgers. Immigration forever, that's not expired. Images look the same. The passports line up, the names do not line up. This Martino instead of Martina. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna need to do a fingerprint. No? See if she does. Ooh, no known aliases. Uh-oh. Sorry, buddy. If only you did have multiple names, you'd be able to get through. But about that, I can't let you by. Oh, he's back! Oh, buddy. Sorry, friend. That's the spirit, Jorge. One of these days he'll make it through. She's gonna need an ID. Does she have it? Never got one, then can't come back in. I probably should have let her in, but I was autopilot in there, so. On visiting, 2 months, presumably. Half a year? Whoa, calm down, buddy. See if you change your story. Okay, there we go, that's better, but that's also incorrect, so I'm gonna just have to deny you. Sorry, friend. Not happening. Okay. He's moving, he's immigrating. And you can't come in. If you don't have the proper paperwork, or some heart-wrenching story and out-of-date paperwork, can't let you through. Oh, interesting. Visiting, let's see, 3 months. So at least that part checks out. So if she has a passport, then I can check it. Yep, the seal looks right, name looks right, the code looks correct. That one doesn't, this doesn't expire yet, neither does this. Now I just need to check overstamp. For Lorenz, looks right, and she looks like the person. So, off she goes. And I didn't get cited? Come on. Here they come. He does have an ID card. What district? Oh, I need to scroll one more over. Atlant District. Oscar Lauren. Whoa. Are these the same people? I'm gonna have to fingerprint you. Meantime, Orvech Vonor is a valid thing. Check these two. Okay. Wacky picture, I guess. She looks like about 160. Date of birth is consistent. Orvech Vonor. And I don't think this one has an ID number. Or the passcode. Okay. And alright, in she goes. And that was another day. I think I will do one more day and then call it a video. Rent has gone up. I could turn off heating or food. I don't see a reason to because I'm making a steady income. Ooh, okay. Vince Lestrade's whereabouts. Yeah, the news actually has stuff going on in it now. Okay. You are now authorized to detain suspicious individuals, interrogate the discrepancies, so I can now detain people. And I guess I will keep Vince Lestrade in eyesight, because it seems pretty set up for me to have to detain him. Purpose of trip, work, how long, a month? Yeah, 1 month, okay. Real shame that these two are incorrect. I don't plan on arresting people yet, as I don't see a reason unless I see a Vince Lestrade show up. He's visiting for how long? 14 days. I'm gonna just check this to make sure. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, he's fine on that front. That's still valid. Looks like his picture, name, stuff checks out. The seal looks correct. And so I'm going to go to overstand, but I'm pretty sure murderous is a place in there. Okay, cool. And away he can go. Let's see this next person. Oh, this looks like Vince Lestrade. I don't think I can do that in good faith. Yeah. Well, I don't need that anymore. Okay, let's see. Next person. What is the purpose of the trip? Immigration. That's not expired yet. Seal looks right. Name looks right. Code looks correct. Integria has that, and her face looks like a person. Also, passport / visa is not expired. Perfect. Okay. Next we have this lady. Transit, duration of stay, 2 days. That's valid. Name is correct. So is that, and let's see, Shingleton in the United Federation is a place, and this isn't expired either, so off she can go. Alright. Okay. Transit. And 2 days. This isn't expired. The passport numbers line up, so does the name. That's valid. Unfortunately, Orvich Venor is not in Kolechia. So I'm gonna have to question him on this. That won't detain, but he can leave. Let's see this person. Okay. Visiting for a few weeks, passport. Thanks for the passport now. Let's see. Everything else so far checks out. This isn't expired, neither is this. Same passport numbers. The seal is correct, or one of the 2 valid ones. Just need to check for Yurko City, which I did remember being in there. Away he goes. Let's see, what's this guy up to? He's immigrating, that checks out. Name is correct, seal is correct, the passport number is correct, issue date isn't expired, Integria has the same numero, he can go on through. Oh. Gotta see who his wife is, and gotta see what the problem here is. Because it is implied that there is no problem. You need an entry permit, lady. You know what? Good enough for me. And I'm just on the coin grind set. I'm now up to 2 coins. And the citation is fine. Work, 6 months probably. Half a year, yep. That's right, this isn't expired, neither is this. Yurko City isn't Kolechia. Everything looks right. Yeah. Alright. And away she goes. Okay. I'm just gonna start trying to absorb these. Immigration, that's not expired, neither is this. I think murderous is an overstand. Yes, it is. Check that out while I continue to validate this. Okay. Third, Parallel. That's not the same. I will detain a person doing identity fraud. Next. St. Romero, chlorinated non-chlorous. Okay. St. Romero is a place in there, just checked that. Fortunately for you, you are out of time. I don't know what to tell you, man. If you're immigrating, you gotta be more punctual than that to get through our Stanska borders. Or get a sob story or something, I don't know. Work, 1 year. Yeah, okay. The passport numbers are right. Shingleton, I think, is in United Federation. Yes, it is. Everything looks right. I'm gonna try and get one more through, if possible. Ooh! Shingleton was not a place? How did I mess this up? Transit. Couple days. 12:23, that's fine. Well, this is definitely gonna be the last person. You know what? This is just how it is. Forged documents there. I don't know what to tell you. I had 2 citations, so bit of a rough day. Oh, here we go. I do want that. I'm gonna pay for that. And I will then sleep to let it autosave, and I'm going to call it here. So I will see y'all next time I feel like playing this game more. So until then, bye.